Welcome to e-learning program of Modern International School, HISWA. Student, this is class 5th, chapter number 7, multiplication, division and fractions, exercise 25. So students, in this video lecture we are going to solve some questions of exercise 25, and all questions based on the words problem, words type of questions. So here we have taken question number 1, and one question says a cloth merchant sold 75.5 meter of cloth on a day. He sold 36 and 3/4 meter of cloth the next day. Okay, now how much cloth did he sell in all those 2 days? Okay friends, now students, see, have a look. Here is the two statements from a cloth merchant. Here is there is one in 75.5 meter of cloth is sold on a day, and another mixed fraction is here, 36 and 3/4 meter of cloth is sold on the next day. That, and we have to find the sell in all in those day. That means in the first day and in second day. Now the required solution is the cloth sold in these 2 days is this cloth 75.5 meter and plus this 36 and 3/4, because we have to add here, because and the question says how much cloth did he sell in all in those 2 days. We have to find the solding cloth in 2 days, selling cloth in 2 days. That means this merchant was sold clothes. The first day is here and the second day here. Okay, now we have to add their values. Here is the mixed fraction. First of all, we have to change this mix into improper fraction. Now multiply 75/2 and then add 1. So this is 1/151 divided by 2. Plus is here. Now similarly we have to multiply here 36 multiplied by 4, 144, then 3 is added to it, means 147 is here, divided by 4. Now take the LCM 2 and 4, divide this 4 by this 2, 2 will get 2, and 2 multiplied by this 151 is 302. Here is the plus. Now this 4 is divided by this 4, becomes 1. 1 multiplied 147 is as it is. Now add their values, numerator 449 divided by 4. Now we have to find this fraction into mixed fraction, as now this number is divided by 4, becomes here is the quotient. Now write here is the quotient. First write as it is, 4 as it is, and the quotient is here 112 112, and the remainder is up meter. This is means this merchant was sold total cloth in length 112 and 1/4. So this is your final answer. Now next, now friends, see question number 3 says, as you can see on the screen, that a rope is 5 and 2/3 meter long. It is cut into 2 pieces. The length of one piece is 2 and 1/4 meter. What is the length of the other piece? So friends, have a look. I have already drawn a rope. This is the rope, and the total length of the rope is given 5 and 2/3, means if we change this mixed fraction into improper fraction, 17 divided by 3 meter. 5 and 2/3 meter is the length of the rope, and the one piece of the length of this rope is given 2 and 1/4. Then find the other piece. This piece we have to find this length from here to here. Now look at the friend, the total length of this rope. Here the total length of this rope is 5 and 2/3. If we subtract this length from this total, becomes this length. That means here we have to subtract 2 1/4 from this mixed fraction 5 2/3. Okay, now have a look. Now the required length, total length minus piece of this length. Now change, first we have to change into improper fraction. 5 3 ja 15 plus 2 17 by 3 as it is, minus 4 2 ja 8 plus 1 9 by 4. Take the LCM of 3 and 4, 12 LCM. Now divide this 12 by 3, 3 4 ja 12, 4 multiply by this numerator, 17 4 ja 68, a minus this 12 is divided by this 4 3 ja 12, 3 multiply by 9, 9 3 ja 27. Now subtract this value, 68 minus 27, here this is 1 and this is 4, 41 divided by 12. Now divide this fraction and change, divide this numerator by denominator and write the mixed fractions. Okay, this is 12 3 ja 36, here the 1 stick 11 minus 6, this is 5. Okay, now this could be written as, here is 5 up and downwards is as it is 12 and here is 3 meter. This is your answer. Means the remaining parts of this rope, means the length of this piece is 3 and 5 by 12 meter. This is your answer. Okay, I hope you will understand. Now see friends, question number 5. If the price of 1 kg of sugar is rupees 14.5, then what will be the price of 3 and 1 by 4 kg of sugar? It's very simple question. Here is the given, the price of 1 kg is itna. First write as it is, since the price, the given sentence, the price of 1 kg sugar is 14.5. It is given. Okay. Now we have to find the price of 3 and 1 by 4 kg of sugar. If 1 kg sugar, the price is 14.5, then we have to multiply the another kg. Suppose the cost of 1 pen is equal to 2 rupees. Suppose, then the cost of 2 pen, 2 multiply by 2, 3 pen, 3 multiply by 2, 4 pen, 4 multiply by 2. Similarly, we can proceed the same. The concept is same over here. Then we have to multiply simply this kg by this amount. Okay, now here price of 1 kg is as it is 14.5 rupees. Isliye therefore price of 3 and 1 by 4 kg sugar, means we have to multiply this and with this kg. Now here is the mixed fraction and this is also the mixed fraction. We have to change this mixed fraction into improper, then we can calculate. 14 2 is 28, 28 plus 29, 29 divided by 2, multiply by, this is 3 4 ja 12 plus 1 13, 13 divided by 4. Now see, numerator multiply by numerator and denominator multiply by denominator. Okay, this 29 is multiplied by 13. Now friends, see, multiply, after multiplying we got 377 and 4 2 ja 8. Now divide 377 by 8, 377. Have a look. 8 4 ja 32, 5 7. Now 8 7 ja 56, 1 is here, decimal, here is the 0, 8 1 ja, now here root 8, this is 2, then once again 8 2 ja 16, this is 4, means 4 14, 8 5 ja 40. Okay, now the answer is 47.125. But friend, this answer is the matchless, only one digit. If suppose 47 point, after 2 decimals, digits from the decimal after 2 digit, the third digit is equal to 5 or greater than 5, then we have to change this previous digit, we have to increase just previous digit by 1, then we have to increase 2 by 1, this becomes 47.13. This is your final answer. I hope you will understand. Now your homework friends, question number 1 to 5, exercise 25, solve neat and clean. Okay, have a nice day.